Dear students, welcome back to our third part in Minj 160. The subject is orthographic projection. In our previous videos, we already drew the visible part of our side view and the visible part of our top view. We are working on figure 14, page 20 in the old exercise book and page 26 on the new. Okay, now we'll project our top view. Let us take a look at this is my model. So this is the front view and this is the side view. We'll draw the top view. Let's go back here and take a projection. Okay, so projection, lines, base. Okay, and the beginning of my side view. I decided to put my top view here. So as I mentioned before, we have to take a bisector between these two lines, the beginning of the side and the beginning of the top. We'll go to construction lines, bisect, and take a bisector between these two lines. This is my 45-degree inclined line. The end of my side view is here, so I need this space or this distance. I'll trim the inclined construction line between these two lines. Enter. I'll take this out and take this out. As I told you, we have to change this inclined line in order not to draw it all the time to another layer. So I change it to AM0, AM5 layer. So this is the beginning of my top and the end of my top. Let us draw our base. So this is our base, the width of our base and the length of our base. And we'll draw a rectangle here. We can draw lines, of course, but a rectangle will be better. For the fillet, we go fillet here. Your fillet is not mentioned there. We give it a fillet for 12, R12, enter. And now we can use our specific order for the rectangle. It's a polyline. So when I click here, I take the 4 fillets in one click. 4 fillets in one click. So this is my base. Let us project the upper part. Okay, so projection from here to here and from here to here. In order not to be confused, let us take off our construction lines, draw new ones, fresh ones, and then we need from here to here, the upper part, and from here to there. Okay, projected from the side to. So this is my top of my part. Okay, this is draw lines, and this is a line. This is my lines. Okay, from here to here, there, and close. But this part have cuts and inclined faces, etc., etc. Let us draw our cuts. Again, construction line from here to here, and the cut it will be from here to here. And project at the 45 degrees. So this is my cuts, 4 ones. Yep. Okay, yep. So where is it? This is my first part. And I'll mirror it for, mirror, enter. From the mid plane to mid plane, enter. Again, mirror these two pieces, enter from mid plane here to mid plane here, and this is my 4 faces, 1 2 3 4 faces of my this object. Now we have a cut here, and the cut is going to 20. This line, the length of this line, I can't find it precisely because it comes on the inclined line. So this is the intersection of this cut with the inclined line. We have to project it first. So I'll go back to my AutoCAD and you will see. This is my cut, and it will start as a hidden line, of course. It will start as a hidden line. There is no hidden line, you load it, and it will be a hidden line from here, there, and from here, there. So this is the intersection between the cut and the inclined line. The end of my inclined line, I can project the end of my inclined line, inclined face, sorry. As we can see here, this is the end of my face. And here the intersection here, until the beginning is here and the end of is here. Let's go back and draw these two lines. It's not hidden. Just change our layer to AM0 and draw these two lines. 1, 2, again 1, 2. So this is the beginning of my inclined line from here until down. How can I find the intersection? In order to find this intersection, I have to project the intersection of inclined line with the cut. So here's the inclined line with the cut. Okay. Just see in our object, this is the, and it comes with what? With these cuts here, with these cuts on the 30. So I'll take a projection from the 3, 0, down, 1, 2. This is the beginning and this is the end of my cutting. Okay, project them down to the top view here, and this is what we will see. Okay, so I'll draw a line now from here, there, here, and closed. The intersection of the inclined line with the cut of 20 deep. Okay, let's get rid of it and project now, or mirror, sorry, mirror these. Sorry, mirror again. Enter from the mid to the mid. Okay, I have to hit enter, I'm sorry. Mirror again. Okay, from here to here, enter, and from mid to mid, enter. So this is the inclined face in my top view, in my top view. Okay. What else do we have? Let us project hidden line our end of inclined line to the side view. Take a projector from here and draw a line all over it from here there. This is my inclined piece. Now let us draw the slots. As we can see here, let's save first. And let's go back to our exercise, or figure, or 3D model. Our slot is going from here, there, 10 and comes on R. How much the R here? Let us see. We have 16, so we have an R8. The R is 8, the phi is 16, and the R is 8, and go there for the center by 10 millimeter from this edge. Let's go here and see. Where is my edge? This is my edge. Okay, let us go change our layer, construction line here, and offset by 10. It's in the middle, so I'll take a vertical at the middle. So this is my slot, it will be here. 16, we take offset 8 to the right and 8 to the left. As we already draw, the easiest way to draw the arc is a polyline, because I have lines from here to here, and then I'll change to arc. Something going on, arc, yes, so this is the arc from here to here and going back to line, or click N, L to here. So this is my groove. I'll mirror this groove. Just get rid of our extension line. Mirror my groove. This is the mirror. I'll mirror this shape from the middle to the middle. Enter. And do some trimming. It's open through. It's opened through trim. Okay, between these. Enter. I'll take rid of these. It's open through. Where is this? In the front view. Let us project it to the front view. So I'll make a projection. Beginning of the slot and end of the slot, it will be in here. And it goes down to the end again. From here, there. And let us do some trimming. Trim, enter between these. Oh, sorry. Again, trim between these, enter, and take this rid of this one. So this is my slot. This is what I can see in the front view. What about the side view? Let us see. Let us project this to the side view. Switch off construction lines. Again, construction line. My slot begins here and ends here. And it begins from here and ends here. Right? So let's get it up from the top view. So where is my slot? Where's my slot now? Begins here, ends here. How can I see it? There. So we have a cut here through to go to hidden line again, and we take it from here. Okay, this is the line, the rule of 3 lines. We have visible. We have to end it here, and it comes from here up. Okay, this is my slot. Let us mirror this to the side. 1, 2, enter from the mid down, and this is my slot. Okay. So, what else? We have these grooves or openings beneath the base. Beneath the base. They are under the base, so we'll take a construction line from here to here. It will be go all around this. And again construction line from here to here, and let's project it to the top view. Where are they? So my hidden line will start here to here, and it goes under this one, and it comes from here there. Okay, this is my, here is opening and here is opening, and it repeats on the four corners. So I'll take a mirror from this one, enter from the middle to the middle. This is the second corner, again mirror, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, enter from the middle to the middle. So this is my opening of 60 from here and 60 from there. Okay, what about here? When we are looking to the front view, we have an opening 2. Because of that groove, it will come to here, and another one from here to there. Okay, let us do save. Almost finish our front view, side view, top view. The main aspect here is the inclined face, inclined surface, and the cut between these two faces. How can I find this projection in the top view? As I told you, we have to put center lines. Okay, from here, let us make it a cross center line, cross, okay, at the center here, again cross, at the center here, and we'll make, maybe you draw center line from here down. Okay, anything else? There's no other center lines. Put your dimension, name the views, front view, side view, top view, go to the layout, double click inside and arrange your drawing after putting everything here, and publish and send. This way we come to end of our exercise. See you in next sessions.